Hey there, how's it going guys? This is Mark from our production and welcome back to another episode of Respawnables. So in this episode we are talking about shooting, just kidding. As you can see my softer the volume and I don't know if I can hear or not. Wait. Alright. Okay, so you guys will see that I have so less gold and money because I bought this, increase my speed, and I bought my body, yeah, this one. So I have my leg, body, this one, and plus that special ability, we are fast. So right now we are going for the team versus for our, how you call it, our tier. So I apologize guys, I know I told you all guys that I'm going to upload tier 5, no wait, tier 6 and tier 7, but sadly I finished that because they are hard to accomplish. And right now I'm heading for tier 8. I have to kill 2 person in less than 2 seconds or less. Yeah, less than 2 seconds. And yeah, so good luck to me then. And I have to do that 5 times, so it's hard to get it. Alright, so we are going in right now. Come on. Alright, so this, oh, headquarters. Alright, I've been training this for like very damn long time, and yeah, I changed my gadget into the bomb, so YOLO. Oh my god, where is it? What are they doing? Oh my god, you're never helping me. What kind of teammate are they? What on? This is called hacking. Okay, I need some strong. No wait, I need this. Okay, done. Die. No. Okay, never mind. You know what, guys? We are gonna do it. What? One more shot. One more shot. These shots will be successful. You know what? Never mind. Reload, reload, reload. What on earth, man? You serious, bro? Okay, prepare. Down. There we go. You know what? I'm gonna do this the next round. Come on. Alright. Next round. I can't see. We are losing so badly. Yeah. I have no idea what. Oh, down, 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 down. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh no. What the shit, man. I hate this gun, literally. The double barrel shotgun. Okay, oh my god. Stop it. What on earth is that? I got you know what, let's go, let's go. Da-da. 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 Oh my god, what? They are strong because they have the heal thing. Stop it, man. Oh my god. I mean, LG is better than yesterday. Yesterday I was actually playing this also. And shit. Anyway, where am I? Oh yeah. And yesterday I was playing and what do you call it? How do you call it? I actually found a wow. I met a person called Marilyn. Yes, he's holding a kind of a weird gun. I have no idea what gun is that. Stop it! Jesus Christ! You know what is this gun? This is a very weird gun, never used before. I'm gonna try it right now. Since when did I get any damage? Alright. This gun is I have no idea. I'm training this gun right now because I'm using other guns but not this gun. Where's the opponent? Hello, red team. Load. Backward shot. What? Oh my god. Are you serious? Okay, the leg. You fail. Oh my god, this is okay. I have no idea. I got so many guns I can use, but I need to find like. Look at this gun. Oh, okay, I killed that person. Great, yay. Oh, oops, sorry. Stop. Oh my god, guys, this is bad because I have no idea what's happening right now. I am trying to avoid getting that. Okay, this is harder than I thought. I don't know why, but this kind of timing is like the shitty timing ever, man. 14 kills and 14 deaths. 4 kills and 14 deaths. Best, man. How can you even get that prize? It's like impossible, man. I got once, but that was like lucky because they were together. Unless I use this. I'm gonna try sniper right now. I don't care, okay. If they give me Royal Garden, it will be the best. But if they give me other thing, I'll be like, get away from me, man. Come on. Wow. Headquarters. How can I use sniper for headquarters? Use common sense. I also can. You also can think of it, right? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit! Throw! Oh damn! Oh damn! I killed him! Oh, he just got owned. Blunderbuss is like you can never. What? Oh what? What? Okay, wait. What? Nothing. What happened? No! Don't. Okay, I think double revolver. Wow, this is unbelievable. It's been a long time since I see people using double revolver because nobody owns it. So yeah, I'm gonna camp here right now. All right. Okay. Come on, let's go. Oh my god, this person is getting owned by me, man. He's like, oh, did I shoot him? Nope, I didn't shoot him. But it was close, man. Oh, this one's hard. Okay, he's near me, then he definitely cannot beat me, but then, oh my god, you scare me, man, Rabbit Head. My favorite song from NCS. There we go. But I forgot the name. But anyway, never mind. Shit. You know what? You wanna do that, right? See whose speed is faster right now, man. Come on, let's go. I got it all out. Ta-da! Oh my god! Damn, son. He's fast. He's like equals to blunderbuss kind of method. I'm going down. Okay, come on. 7. No, man, no. We're gonna lose this, man. Guys, this is called stress, man. I think I can never beat tier 8. It's like impossible unless you guys beat it. Just comment below, man. Alright, this one, right? I need to plan out well, man, because you should have the fastest have the highest agility. Blunderbuss, he got a max agility. Damage is 3 only. I'm looking right now because yeah. Damage. I need damage 5. I want damage and agility to be max. Kind of weapon. Is it possible for me to have this? Okay, never mind. Okay, we're gonna use blunderbuss right now. Damage quite weak, but too short to kill some person that is have no strong shield, and 3 kills or 4 to kill 1, and if you miss then it'll be too bad. Damn. What is that, man? Oh. 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 Oh, sorry. I thought he was wearing a red color thing. Oh. Yeah. This is the pace. This is my beat. This is my jam, man. I don't know if you can hear it or not. You gotta scare him. Boop boop. There we go. Oh. Oh. We are owning, guys. Oh my god, guys. I am so proud of myself. I would change my mind soon. I give up. I didn't give up, but I changed. I take back my words. I am owning them right now, man. Oh. Oh my god, guys, this is awesome. This is awesome. Watch to the end to see how weird am I. Oh, I killed it. Yeah, try to kill me, man. Oh yeah, take that. Oh, you got owned, man. Rabbit head, you got owned. We were friends once, till now. Oh my god, I'm trashing them so badly because of my speed. I love Sandstorm right now because Sandstorm is usually my one of my hated arena because you have quite weak. Oh wow. Okay, never mind. That was okay. Yeah, nice one. That is a nice. I'm gonna put it on loudly. Okay, let's go. Come on, where is it? There we go. Come on. We gotta trick him. He's gonna be like, oh, I'm winning so badly, and boom, he died. Boom. Oh my god. Hey, they team up, man. This is unfair. Alright, guys. Oh my god. Oops, sorry. Stop wearing red. I can't differentiate you and the opponents. Wait. What just happened? Alright, let's go. Hey, wait, what the heck is that, man? Okay, he disconnected. Oops, sorry. Wow, guys, this is what I'm talking about, man. Oh, there we go. Bye. Alright, because some of them, they are still disconnecting. Pow, you died. Alright, we are winning this. We are trolling them. Check this out, guys. Alright, where's the opponent? Are they afraid? Are they running around, hiding there, here and there? There's no opponents. Oh, I found them. Wait for them. I'm trying to hit 30. I'm trying. There we go. Torte. Lotto. Celebrate tonight. Come on. Nice one. Alright, guys. We did it. Wow, my progress is so bad. But let's see our skills. 19 kills and 4 deaths. Great work. Alright, we gotta check. Oh, you know what? Never mind. I'm gonna do for this. Blunderbuss for the win, man. Alright, so if the computer will be nice enough, he'll give me 145, and opponent will be 50 and 44. If not, he'll give me 2. Nah, mine is still the same. Alright, so I think it's gonna start soon, so I'm impressed. Okay, so we have 250. That's not bad. Depends on. Okay, it's not about what's your level, man. You can be very high level, but with a wrong kind of weapons, you will lose badly. This map is good for sniping because your opponents are far away from. Oh, get crashed, get trash. Even though I die, but you know what? I respawn near our death, so I can get the points, man. Alright, alright. Wait, what? Yeah. What? Hey, what? No! Guys, you saw it right? I shot them. This is cheating, man. This is cheat. This is a hack. I shot them. They have no. They just have no damage, man. What is this? Oh my god, they are transparent. Oh, okay. So how's life, dude? How's life? What? Oh, wait, is that my friend? I have no idea. Oh shit. That's my friend. Is that my friend? They're red. Okay, I know. I have no idea which one is which one. Okay, that's my friend. Okay, good. Okay, I at least know which one is which one. Alright, red. Now, because there was some lag, sometimes there's... This is... Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? I cannot even kill anyone. I think I've been trashing somebody so badly that the whole computer crashed. Oh, I can kill someone yet. I have no idea where is he. Okay, I have no idea which one I am. Oh, I killed him. Okay, that is weird. What? Guys, you just saw that? Oh. Oh my god, you serious? What the heck is going on, man? Also, you don't even use blunderbuster, fine, I'll use other guns. Okay, right now I'll still be here. You know, I just kill myself. I take no damage. Okay, this will take damage. There we go. Yeah. Alright. I'm back. And now there's no opponent. Wow, genius, man. Guys, I think I've been trashing that other people so badly that yeah, I think they just don't want me to keep killing people, man. I guess. Alright, so right guys, right now guys, I'm gonna check price. One only. You know what, guys, I'm gonna quit this, man. Okay, so that's all for today. And I show you one part that is so awesome. Please check it out. It was the third attack. So yeah, hope you like it. Please subscribe and please like and please comment in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Peace off.